Hi guys, my name is Cheyenne. I am the owner of Cheyenne Leisure. I'm here with Emma of Emm Co Culinary Experiences. We're gonna make a couple dishes for you guys tonight that are really good sides for roasted chicken. And tonight with me, we're going to be making the crispy baked zucchini chips. I thought this was a really good side because it's pretty healthy, it's really easy to make, it's very minimal steps, and then you can kind of change it up with different seasonings to make it to your liking. So you just need 2 zucchinis, and then Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs, and then you can kind of do whatever spices you want. So we have salt and pepper, and then we have basil, cayenne pepper, and oregano. So we will get started making the recipe.
Hi, I'm Emma Mitchell and I am the owner of Emm Co Culinary Experiences. So today what I'm going to make is a kale salad with almonds and cranberries. And I chose kale salad because it's super versatile. Once again, you can put different spices in it, you can use different salad dressings, you can dress it up as much as you'd like to, or as little as you'd like to. So it's pretty easy. The biggest thing with kale is you want to massage it with salt, which you'll see how I'm doing that. That makes it more tender and it makes it so that you can eat this kind of kale. So we're using some olive oil, some lemons, some Dijon mustard, honey, salt and pepper, some cranberries, and some almonds today. And most of the ingredients go into the dressing, and then the almonds and the cranberries go on top of the salad.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. Again, my name is Cheyenne with Cheyenne Leisure. We provide workout clothes for when you go and do physical activity, but we also are very focused on all-around wellness, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to partner with Emma, is because it's really important to learn how to make your own food and make some healthier food and really take care of your body and nourish it. So yeah.
And again, I am Emma with Emm Co Culinary Experiences, and my company provides socializing with cooking and getting to meet new friends through those cooking classes. So there's a lot of cooking classes coming up. They're called social cooking classes. You can check that out on my website. And next week, Cheyenne and I are doing a class together. It's about meal prep. So we hope that we see you there. And the class is limited to 12 people, so it's almost sold out.
Sign up now. Bye.